Integrating information technology with operational technology is one of the biggest challenges in modern industry. From smart factories and trolley automation to air-gapped, high-tech environments, connectivity, security, and operational continuity collide.
Legacy systems, isolated environments with industrial networks, and the complexity of IoT devices. AI, robotics, and advanced automation make traditional integrations slow, expensive, and risky. One misstep can halt production, compromise safety, or breach compliance. This is where redSling transforms the game. Our platformless, no-code approach bridges IT and OT seamlessly.
No runtime requirements and deployment anywhere on any infrastructure, including in factory settings, with industrial networks in air-gapped, highly secure facilities, industrial 5G network.
Working with Fraunhofer IPA, we've proven it works. 3D visualizations of robotic arms and AI-powered bin picking integrated effortlessly into factory environments. Data flows safely, insights are real-time, and operations remain uninterrupted. In the largest industrial environments, redSling works with partners like Jetron in China to connect sensors, controllers, and machines directly to enterprise systems. IoT signals flow into the back end in a readable format and through low-latency tunnels for seamless, two-way communication between devices, AI models, dashboards, and operations, all without writing a single line of code. redSling Jetron solution for AI-driven smart industrial cooling is a great example of this. With containerized deployment, applications run securely anywhere, fully portable, with no runtime platform dependency. From smart factories to research labs, redSling delivers real-time monitoring, operational control, and AI-powered insights without compromising safety, security, or uptime. Other platforms require complex coding or risky network changes. redSling delivers speed, security, and flexibility, empowering your teams to innovate across IT and OT faster than ever before.
redSling, your IT-OT integration proven in action.